Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to cover a 3,000 mile update and an update on the gas mileage situation with the new wheels and tires. I'm out here again in the Santa Ritas where I went the other day and did the videoing. Today I'm hoping the drone works better, but I wanted to cover, I know the most questions I've had so far about the wheels and tires is how's the gas mileage? And well, and also, do they rub at all? And as I think I've mentioned in the past, they don't rub at all. There's no rubbing issues, not even with the mud flaps that I've noticed. I guess it could be rubbing and I don't hear it or don't see it, but as far as I can tell, there's no rubbing whatsoever. As far as gas mileage goes, I am sitting right now at 29 miles per gallon, and I've used only a half a tank of gas since I filled up after getting the wheels and tires. So this is not a true representation of what my mileage will be, but at least it's a little bit of an update. This has not really been a normal driving cycle for me. I've been doing more off-roading and a lot of idling the car off-road, setting up cameras and doing drone footage. So it's not totally accurate. My guess is it's probably gonna be, my mileage is gonna be at least 30, between 30 and 31, and my normal mileage was 32 to 33. So I will report back if it's a lot different than those numbers next time around, but at least you got an idea for now what the gas mileage is. As far as the methods and the BFGs go, everything's great with them. They're doing really well off-road. Just kind of give you more confidence that they're not going to get torn. I'm not going to trash a wheel again. But they are definitely louder than stock. I think that's obvious. I kind of knew that was going to happen, but they're a little louder than I thought they were going to be, especially on the freeway. And I wanted to play this video for you guys so you can hear how loud they were on the freeway. I did this last time when I was coming home from my last Santa Rita mountain trip. So listen to this. So yeah, so hopefully you heard that. Really the big thing is if you're somebody who is interested in the method, wheels and tires, strictly for cosmetic reasons, I don't know that it's worth it. If you don't care about the noise, you'll be fine. If you're very sensitive to the noise and you love how quiet your Crosstrek is, then you might not like this tire setup. So just keep that in mind. I would try to, if you can, ride with somebody who has them on their car before you buy them. If you're around Tucson or in Arizona at all, you want to come down, I'll be happy to take you for a ride and you can listen for yourself. So otherwise, they're awesome. I love the way they look. The performance has been great. So one of the other things that we've been talking about on all the other updates has been the Apple CarPlay issue and the Android Auto issue. That's gotten a lot of responses on the video, and that hasn't changed. I still have issues with CarPlay. If you don't know already, there is a dealer-only update available for the head units, and it's supposed to fix Android Autoplay or CarPlay and also Apple CarPlay, and along with some other fixes, things that I don't have the list in front of me, so I can't read it to you, but there's other bug fixes in there that I have not had. So it's worth a trip to the dealer if the CarPlay and the Android issues is messing you up. But other than that, I have not had any other freezes or any other mechanical or electrical issues with the car so far. And one of the things I've been most impressed with, the two other Subarus I've had, and even my wife's 17 WRX, have rattles. And my STI especially was very rattly. This car has no continuous rattles at this point. I mean, obviously there's rattles going over things, and I have the bike racks on top, so you hear that. But as far as like, you know, trying to search things down inside the car that rattle continuously, I haven't had any of those as yet. So I'm guessing that's the new global platform, and the car is stiffer now and maybe just put together better. So otherwise, guys, it's just a real quick update. I don't have anything crazy new to throw out there, other than, you know, you've seen I put the methods on, the BFGs, the new hitch, the mud flaps, and I don't have any plans at this moment to do anything else. Exterior wise, I'm not planning on doing a lift anytime soon. So we'll just check back in 1,000 miles, and if you guys have questions, leave them below. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching, commenting, all that good stuff. So take care. All right, guys, we're gonna try to launch this drone again and get some interesting footage. I am out here again in the Santa Rita Mountains, on the same trail that I came on the other day, but in a different area. So we are currently right now at the sand and gravel pit that I showed you in there. So I'm gonna launch the drone and hopefully I can get some footage. We'll see what happens. I did the update for the drone, so hopefully it's, right, I should say I re-updated the drone. So hopefully it flies good today. So let's check it out. Yeah.